Hi. Hello, friends. Hi. It's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And so today I've got my Ipsy Glam Bag. So I'm excited to share that. And I appreciate you being here. If you'd like to support my channel, I'd love it if you'd hit the like button, subscribe, leave me a comment, do those things that help out my channel if you wish. And we are going to get right to it. Okay, friends, I feel like I just feel like I don't know, I've had a little bit of a flare-up and not been feeling great the last little bit. And so I feel like some of my videos have been boring. So I'm hoping to get my enthusiasm back and be able to share, anyway, be me again. So first of all, here's my bag. It's a purple bag with it's got the gold thing. I love the bag. It's just kind of a little quilted velvety bag. But I'm going to tell you, I'm a brat, okay? I really am. So I was the youngest of 6 kids, so that tells you something. But sometimes I'm a brat, not always. But I really wanted the pink bag, of course, because you know me, I'm a pink girl. But I got the purple bag, so that was disappointing for me. I don't know why. Does anyone else get that way? Like you want, there's a certain one you want, and if you don't get it, you're kind of like, Anyway, I really don't care. It's a bag, right? But anyway, so it's what's in it that's important. So let's get to it here. This month they called it the Glammest Show on Earth. And they do have the products listed in this little thing here. And so I'm going to get right to it. And the first thing I'm going to share, and this was actually the one I picked. I had a hard time picking because, I mean, there was things on there I wanted, but I always kind of go for value. And this is a Grown Alchemist product, and I really like them. And they do have a higher line of products. And this is a polishing facial exfoliant. And I felt like that was something I could use right now. So I went ahead and picked that up. So that was my first item. The next item they picked for me was, and I just got this from Tarte. So this wasn't too exciting for me. It's the Tartelette, the tubing mascara. It's really big right now. People are talking about it. I actually am wearing it right now. It does work well. It's got just the kind of the plastic, it's supposed to be really good for lengthening and pulling out your lashes. And so anyway, just a sample, whatever. I also use the Tartelette, it's a purple tube. I can't remember what it's called. Anyway, I used a little bit of that over, but there's my mascara. The next thing they picked for me was a perfume. This is Juliet Has a Gun, and it's Lust for Sun is the fragrance. I have really liked this brand's fragrances. So we'll see if I haven't heard of this one. We'll see if I like, I don't know. It's different. It's really different. It's one of those I don't think I'm going to tell if I like it until I have it on for a little bit, because I think it's going to change a little bit. So let's just try it here. I think I could like it. So I'm not saying off the bat that I love it. I'm not in love yet, but I do like it. There's the box. So there's that. I don't mind getting fragrances in there. They don't do that too often. From Estate Cosmetics is my 4th item, and it is it's a precision liquid eyeliner in black. And that's what it looks like. And I'm going to see if this is a full-size product. I'm not sure it is. It is full size. So I did get a full-size product, although it's only valued at $12. So, yeah. But, open it up here. Wasn't wondering if I shouldn't in case I want to give this away, but it's open now. So, let's see. Okay, so precision tip. Looks like a pretty good liner. Not bad. Okay, I can live with that. And then the fifth thing that they picked for me is a hair product, and this is leave-in cream. It is a heat guard. So you just put this in your hair, leave it in, and it's supposed to help with blow drying and heat elements on your hair. So it's actually pretty good size. I mean, it's obviously a sample, but they feel like there's a lot in there. So that's a product I will use. I have never heard of Sutra. Let me see what it says about it. I mean, I'm kind of finding that there's certain brands of hair care I really like now, and I've been kind of getting a lot of hair products. It says it's supposed to help with flyaways and frizz, as if. It says this rich leave-in treatment is here to make sure your hair is hydrated and smooth by infusing your strands with plenty of moisture and nutrition. It's also on a serious mission to help repair the damage caused by heat styling so your hair can look healthy and happy. Okay. So it doesn't have a value on it, so I don't know what that is, but we'll try it. All right, I can live with it. So to recap, I got the hair cream, the Grown Alchemist exfoliant, face, whatever, and I got the Tarte Tubing mascara. I got the eyeliner, the liquid eyeliner, and I got the Juliet Has a Gun perfume. So what do you think of this? I don't know. I'm still on the fence. It's probably not one of my favorite bags I've received, but if this was pink, I might be happier. Just kidding. Okay, so I'm always happy with my Glam Bag, but this time it's a little bit on the fence, but it's okay. I mean, I like that I got a fragrance. Can't really tell if it's something I'm going to go to a lot, but it's nice because you can just keep it in your car if you need something quick when you're out or whatever. So anyway, that's that. So do you get the Glam Bag? I have a link in below if you want to go sign up. I think the Glam Bag's well worth it. If you want to sign up now and pay for a year, I did hear that prices are probably going up in a couple months. So you might want to lock in the lower price while you still can. So I think I go annual on all my box. I pay more once a year, and then you can always get a discount. So if you're into boxes and you know you want to keep them, Ipsy's one I want to keep. In fact, I'm going to do a video on Ipsy because I actually really like Ipsy, and there's some reasons why, and I want to talk about that. Coming up, I just filmed my icon box, so you can go back and check that out. That's the last video. And I do have the Ipsy advent calendar that I'm doing, and I have a treat. Haha. I regretted buying the Ipsy calendar after I did it, and I thought, I wish I could have taken that money and just got products and see compare it to the calendar. And so I did, and I was really, really happy with the results. So, I mean, of course I catered it kind of towards me, but anyway, so I have those two videos that are coming up later this week, and I'm excited to share those. So anyway, those are some of the things that are coming up. I'm expecting my Ice Cream Beauty bag and box soon. So I'm excited to share those. So that's what's coming up. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the Ipsy Glam Bag. And thanks for being here. I love your support. And we'll see you all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.